In this video, I'm going to show you my very successful trending keyword method. This is one of the best ways to secure traffic for your website, whether it's a new website or an old website. I'm going to show you something very, very interesting in this video, and this is something that I'm definitely going to be working on more. Finding these niches is unbelievably powerful. This blog post was written on Monday. It was released on Monday. Let me just verify that. It was actually released on Tuesday. I have not seen an article get 11 clicks on the same day that it was released in a long time. Even better than that, and this is a really good tip for Google Search Console, is if you want to see how well this article is doing more in the future, you can put date più recente. Let me change that to English. I need to do this at the beginning of every video. So you can see here that it's actually got 16 clicks. This is likely to go up, and it's got about the same amount of impressions, and this is also likely to go up. So you're probably wondering, what is this article actually about? It's using a TV series to sell our products. Succession has been incredibly popular on, I think it's on Netflix, and all I did was because I think the TV series might have been released after 2021, I'm not 100% sure about that, but I just gave a synopsis to ChatGPT, and then I gave it all of our brands using the method that I've shown you guys many, many times. If you want some more details on how I made this article, then watch this video here. It's the one that says best SEO. This is my current best workflow for writing content. On this video, there is this Google document right here that still has visitors, and this is what I call the iSuit content machine. This is how I produced this content that we are looking at today. But this video is going to be how I found the actual keyword more than how to write the actual content or how to get ChatGPT to write the content. But just so you know, this is exactly how I wrote this article here. So I do very, very quick articles, and yeah, I just found this keyword. The keyword was Succession brands or Succession clothing brands. I can't remember exactly. And I'm going to show you exactly how I found that keyword. But yeah, this is the article, just so you know. This is how I write them, and I just populate everything with my products or the products that we sell, not my products. And I'd put a load of internal links in. The idea here, and this is probably going to work because of the topic, and this is something I'm going to be working on even more, is we might even get some backlinks for this because this is such a relevant article right now. People who are in this niche are probably going to copy this exact article, which kind of sucks, but that's what I get for releasing everything on YouTube. So go to Google Ads, and I'm going to do a new Google Ads account, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use Google Ads for free to find these killer keywords. So when you get to this screen here, you want to click switch to expert mode, and they make this as complicated as possible to try and make you spend money basically, but click on create an account without a campaign. If you can't see any of these options, it's sometimes zoomed too far out or zoomed too far in. So just go to 100% zoom if you can't see this exact option. Click create an account without a campaign. You can say yes, no, it doesn't really matter here. I'm just going to say no because I don't want to get spammed. And then click explore your account. We are now inside the most powerful keyword tool that you will ever need. You do not need Ahrefs. You do not need anything, okay? So all you need to do, let's scroll out a little bit. You click on tools and settings and click on keyword planner. Okay, so there's apparently been an update, but we don't care about that. So let's click on discover new keywords, click on the language, let's put English, obviously. And then I always do United States because our target audience is really the United States. There are other countries, but yeah, United States is our target audience. You can be as specific as you want on this. If you want to know how many window cleaners there are in southern Australia, like how many keywords or how many people are searching for that kind of stuff, you can as well. Just be really specific with what you're looking for, and Google Ads will give you a fairly accurate number. So what I did was I typed in, I think it was clothing brands and things like men's fashion, clothing for men, just really, really broad things. And then I just press get results. We're going to be focusing on trending keywords, okay? So what I like to do is I like to actually lower this a bit. So instead of May, we'll put it to January to April instead, and we'll press OK. And then we hit 3-month change to try and find the things that are currently trending. You might be tempted here to instantly go for the infinite trenders. However, the problem with doing that is if you look here, year-on-year change is minus 99, and this is infinite. So what that means is last year this was massively trending, and it's starting to trend again relative to 3 months ago, but compared to a year ago, it's down 99%. So what I actually like to do is I like to go to the plus 900 keywords, and I like to look through these. So normally you can fairly easily find something that works. However, sometimes you're going to have too broad things. So you might want to just remove some results and just keep searching. So doing that was, that was a really, really good idea. These are much, much better. So let's have a little look here. Men's summer fashion. This is one that I've already done. If I search in incognito, I know I'm in Italy, but I can't be bothered going on a VPN. Let's do Control F and we'll search for iSuit. No. We'll search for 2 men. No. So we're not even on the front page in Italy. We are ranking for this keyword in America, so I don't know why it's not coming up in Italy. It might be because it's in Italy. I've done a lot of these already, okay? Men's festival outfits I haven't done. That's one that I should cover for sure. Summer clothes men, same kind of thing. Stylish t-shirts for men I've done already. Old money style men. So this right here is one of the biggest keywords for us. Let me just show you what I mean by that. Let's go on 2 men. And we'll go on Search Console on 2 men. Click on Nuovo, which means new in Italian. Pagina, which means page. No, sorry, query. And then we'll search for this exact keyword. I think this was doing a lot better in the past, or it might not be this exact keyword. Yeah, it was. So at one point we were really, really doing well for this keyword, but it seems to have dropped completely, which is kind of interesting, to be honest with you. So this is actually one of the manually written articles on 2 men. I wrote this article myself. And yeah, that actually worked pretty well, writing it myself. So beach outfits men I've already done as well. So I'm just going to add suit brands here because I want to see what else comes up if I just add suit brands. This is generally the idea behind this keyword method, okay? Just before we continue, there's kind of 2 ways to do keyword research. You can do it logically or analytically. What I'm showing you right now is analytically. So I'm showing you average monthly search, just 3-month change, and that's a good way to do it. But you can also just do it logically, where you cover all of the logical keywords in a niche. It's really up to you how you do it, but a lot of people prefer to find the keywords, write an article, and do it like that, okay? This right here, David Beckham suit, would be an amazing... I did this on 2 men, but I haven't done this on iSuit, and I'm so glad I'm making this video right now, because tomorrow I'm going to make this article on iSuit as well, because interestingly enough, David Beckham actually wears Kiton, which is one of the brands that we are most closely associated with. So for me to not have this article is actually kind of stupid, and I will definitely have to do that, and that will 100% that will bring in some nice traffic. So the final thing I want to show you is how I specifically found this keyword and how I'm going to continue doing this from now on. So you can study popular culture. So for example, let's say you have a recipe website and you can make articles about famous meals in TV shows, for example. I can't really think of an example in my head right now, but you get the idea. This is a really good way to jump on trends, okay? And it's something that I noticed websites like GQ and The Guardian and really, really big websites were doing, and they get a lot of traffic. So what I did was I logically thought about how to find those keywords. So all I did was type in Succession clothing, and the results were huge. And I'm really, really happy with what will be made possible with this method. So one thing I'll say now is it's kind of fine to stretch the truth. So I don't know necessarily that they are wearing the brands that I talk about in my article, but the brands that we sell are very famous suiting brands, which are very similar to the stuff that they are wearing in Succession. And I know that in one episode of Succession, they are wearing Brunello Cucinelli, which we do sell. But the keywords here are insane. Like, look how many keywords there are, how many potential keywords. And what you can do is, this is a really good tip. You can go on Google, you can copy the keyword, and you can say all in title, and then write the title. And you can see that in terms of exact phrase matching, wait, this is the only one, really? So what I did was I did exact phrase match, as you can see, and it seems like I am the only person that has exact phrase match for this keyword, which has up to 1,000 searches every month and is trending. So, I mean, the fact that it has traffic already is not really a surprise, and I really, really wanted to share this with everyone. I think that very, very soon this will move up the SERP, and it could even be one of our biggest articles. We will see, but the GPT-4 content using this Google Ads keyword planner method that I've shown you in this video, I'm having massive, massive success with on iSuit. So we'll just look at one more article, which is this 10 suit colors. This is more of the logical keyword method that I talked about before. I was looking at a competitor and I realized that I have not written a suit color guide in a long time, and it's something that I knew ChatGPT-4 could do very, very well. 10 impressions total on the day of release. Yesterday, 2 impressions total, but it's actually a little bit more than that. The final article is this 1920s fashion article, and I wanted to say a couple of things about this. First of all, the ranking on the day it was released, it got 26 impressions on the day of its release and 12 keywords. That's very, very good. Let's put it on most recent date, and you can see that the impressions are actually much higher than it's reporting right now, and I think for sure this is going to be another really, really good article. The other thing I wanted to say about this particular article is that I made this little graphic using Microsoft Designer. I actually generated the graphic, which is really, really interesting to me. So I did generate image, and I wrote like 1920s gentleman or whatever. And it just gave me this really, really smooth set of graphics, and I chose this one because it worked the best for what I wanted to write. Anyway, thanks for watching. I just wanted to share this keyword method with everybody because it really, really is looking like it's going to be very, very powerful. This is how I find most of my keywords, to be honest with you. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.